Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What I thought I'd do is I'd do a quick demonstration on how to change the combination on these key safes. Assuming you have the combination or you've just bought it new, this shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so to start with, all these key safes work on the same way. A lot of the other ones you buy as well, they'll work the same way as well, so we don't need to pull them all apart. What we'll do is we'll put that one aside. We'll work on the 747, the ABUS 747, and I'll take you through and just show you the Kitty Key Safe one as well, because it basically works on the same principles. Just quickly look at that. This is a more advanced model. We do sell this key safe, and it's got a reed switch in it, which can be connected to your alarm system or any type of circuit you want, whether it be a bell, an alarm, access control, all sorts of stuff. Alright, so we just pop it open there. So as you can see here, you've got 1 to 0 and A and B. So you've got a couple more combinations here. So we'll just open this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, should already be set to 0. It is. So as you buy it new, it'll have no combination in it. Alright, so underneath here, you can see you've got a little tool, and from there you can change it. I'll quickly take that out just to show you. It's going to be easier to work on with the ABUS 747. This is just for reference, just to show you it's the same type of thing. So I've taken the screw out. I'm sliding down this metal plate. Okay, code setting instructions. All the instructions are here, and then we just got to lift up this little sticker here. And as you can see, you've got a whole heap of row of turn knobs with an arrow indicated by a little dot on top, and you've got the instructions plus a little tool here. So this little card here, this comes out and you can turn it, rotate it, and do it as you wish. Okay, so that's how to access it. On the more advanced Kitty, I think it's a P500. So this is a top of the line key safe. Not everyone needs an inbuilt reed switch, but you definitely get more features with this one. It's available on our website. Right, let's just drop that down there. That. Okay. Alright. So just demonstrating the mechanism and what's needed to change it, because they're pretty much identical. Okay, let's go to the ABUS 747. Okay, so when you get your key safe, you just open it up. The no code is needed, and you open it up from there. Make sure I do this in a way that you can see. Alright, so on the inside here, you have 1 to 10, 10 being a 0, and you've got a little arrow on the top here, which symbolizes off. When you rotate around, it symbolizes on. If you forget this, it's actually engraved along the center line here. Now you do need a little tool, and the tool is located right here. This is a piece of plastic. Okay, so when you put that on top, you can rotate it down, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise seems to work there. Now this number is enabled, and this number here is number 1. So now our combination has number 1. So if we want two digits, we would now set it to another digit. Let's set number 2. Rotating it around, making sure it's back up at the top, putting our little tool back for next time, and now we have set our combination to 1 and 2. If you want any other numbers, you just simply turn them on. If you don't want the numbers, you simply turn them off. If they're off, they're facing this way, as symbolized. If they're on, they're facing down. So let's just test it with the door open. So my code should be 1 and 2. 1, 2, and if everything goes well and I pull this button about here, this top will move. It'll only move the once. Once you pull it down, it resets back to the locked position. So if I try it now, it's locked, but if I enter my code, pull it down once, and then you have to enter in your code again. So you have to enter in your code, pull it down, take the keys out, enter in your code, pull it down, and lock it up. Now if I wanted any number of codes, 4, 3, 7, even 8 digits, I could do that. It's a simple matter of turning it on and turning it off. Okay, So we'll just set those ones back, lifting up the tool, rotating them around. Okay, now that one's set to 0 or off, and that one's set to off. Now they're all off, no combination is needed. Okay, so that's as simple as it is how to set the 747 key garage key safe. Thanks for watching.